Today, I am going to be sharing with you why every content creator absolutely should and must be going live this year. So if this sounds like a topic you are interested in, please do consider sticking around. Unless you've been under a rock somewhere, you will see that there's a lot of emphasis across platforms where live video and live streaming is concerned. You're seeing more integration of third-party tools on platforms such as Instagram and TikTok, where in the past you were only able to go live natively in-app in vertical mode. Now we're seeing that you can use the likes of StreamYard and Ecamm to help diversify your live stream. Not only that, we are also seeing on platforms such as TikTok, the heavy emphasis of going live. So it's safe to say that now is the time to really think about integrating live video as part of your social media marketing strategy. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on going live, how to go live effectively, and why essentially you should be doing it. So the first thing I want you to consider is the fact that you can reach a global audience in real time. And I want you to focus on the two operative words there, real and time. There is nothing like a live conversation between you and your audience where they're going to be able to ask you questions to get your feedback as the authority and as the expert. And that's also the perfect opportunity for you to position yourself as the expert with live streaming. I know it can seem a little bit daunting going live and talking to an audience, not knowing what to expect. Will somebody troll you? May they possibly ask you questions that take you outside of your comfort zone? Maybe you might be thinking you're going to say the wrong thing, but I promise you, once you actually start going live consistently and you see it as talking to your besties, you will find that you actually flow in your zone of genius. The fact that there is a global audience available to you is second to none, especially as we are seeing the decline in organic reach. But I want you to overlook that. Don't worry about depleting reach. Just focus on the fact that you can use live streaming to reach people that have never heard your voice, your message before. So make sure that you are taking the time to get in on every opportunity that live stream has to offer you. The second thing is live video offers a unique opportunity to interact with your viewers. I've said this multiple times in the past. If you're not new to me, you've seen me somewhere in these digital streets. I talk about the fact that live video is a powerful tool for content creators to be able to interact with their audience in an authentic way to them. And it's about having that connection and creating that trust. And live video essentially helps to accelerate it. So I want you to really think about this point, really focus on the fact that you can actually have the opportunity to build these relationships and deepen these connections. Think about how you can put your creative spin on live streaming. And it doesn't have to be anything, fancy, bells and whistles. Essentially, there's no one like you. So think about bringing more of your unique personality into the mix to make your live stream more dynamic. You will be able to create a memorable experience for not only yourself, but your audience. Something that you can't actually capture with pre-recorded video, whether it's short form or long form. So think about how you can creatively make that connection with your audience to the next level. Third thing is it boosts follower engagement and encourages more active participation. Now, I am big on not only creating the experience, but also creating the conversation when you are live streaming. There can be that temptation to just talk at your audience. Yes, you want to demonstrate the value proposition. You want to tell your audience and make it clear why they're there, the what's in it for them. Hashtag WIAFT. As I call it, can't even say my own acronym, but you want to be able to do that effectively. But the best way that you can is by creating that conversation with your audience. So I want you to start thinking about, when it comes to live streaming, how you can have that opportunity to find out more about your audience, get more information from them about their pain points and their needs, so that you can create even more epic live video just for them. And I want you to think about the boosting of participation. The more you're able to create a conversation, the better the engagement on your content is going to be. Number 4, it builds relationships with the audience in a more personal way. So again, we're thinking about building relationships, deepening that connection, advancing the know, love, and trust. And when you actually take the time to go live and talk to your audience, you have the opportunity to become more relatable, because people buy from people. Not only that, with the highlight social media reel where everything is picture perfect, our communities and our audiences may not necessarily get to see the real us, or a more insightful take on who we are, the person behind the brand. And this is what more people essentially are wanting, to see more real, raw, relatable content. Live video creates the unique opportunity to create content such as tutorials, Q&A, sneak peeks behind the scenes. Again, pulling up the hood and allowing our audience to see the mechanics behind the brand, which definitely is something that will put you in a powerful position. Again, it's about authority building, being seen as the GOAT. So think about how you can creatively bring some of these other elements into your content creation, and allowing live video to help you do just that. So another reason why content creators should go live in 2023 is that there is an opportunity to monetize your live video content. So you can effectively put live video, live streaming into your strategy by running, for example, 5-day challenges, 3-day boot camps, live masterclasses, with the call to action to be an opportunity for your community to sign up for your services. Here we are, so many opportunities for you to dominate in 2023 and really amplify your voice and your message. Yes, like with everything, it takes time and takes practice. But once you start to see and tap into the potential of live streaming, you are going to see acceleration in your business and your brand. You're going to be able to build a community of loyal superfans that you can take on a journey with you to wherever you want them to go. So on a scale of 1 to 5, how confident are you with going live? With 1 being not very confident at all, and number 5 being very confident. I want to hear from you. And essentially, if you have questions around today's topic, please do let me know. Now, I understand that you may be at the very beginning of your journey where live video is concerned. So I'm going to encourage you to click into this playlist that pops up on the screen now, and I will see you on the next video.